Alright, so they just issued a severe thunderstorm warning for here. See if we can get it.
85. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 75 at Midway Airport, 74 at Joliet, and 83 at Pontiac.
I think we're good.
Under partly sunny skies, Bloomington reported 86, Rantoul reported 83, and Valparaiso reported 74. Some conditions around the Midwest. At Moline, it was sunny, with a temp.
There we go.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, south central Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 2:15 p.m. At 1:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Village, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Mount Air, Schneider, Lake Village, Rose Lawn, and Sumava Resorts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is No Weather Radio.